Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is my plan with me. I'm sorry it's coming up or going up late. Just is what it is. This is how last week, my birthday week, turned out, and I think it looks awesome. So this week I have two birthdays, and I kind of wanted to have used the koala kit for this because my friend that lives in Australia, her birthday is the 21st, but my friend Megan, the Megan's Nebula kit is named after, her birthday was yesterday. So we are using Megan's Nebula for that. Yeah, so I am just going to get started. I am going to just go through and do my usual thing, and I will see you guys at the end. Well, I'll talk to you guys at the end. I don't know. You know what I mean. Okay, so there it is before the pen. I think it's cute now, but I think once it's fully done. Oh, I didn't put in boxes here. That's why it's looking kind of plain. I'm like, there's something missing. And that would be full boxes. Let me just put those in like that. Should I put it on Friday? Even though, yeah, I'm going to. You put it in on Friday. There we go. That looks better. I did pull it in. This is from, I don't even know who this is from. I got it in a little like 4-pack of them, but I think it's really cute. So there we go. Before the pen, I have added a fitness tracker area because I'm trying to be better about that. And yeah, so that is the this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share with your friends. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.